Welcome everyone. Welcome everybody join my live stream today. And our main discussion, our main topic today is will Bitcoin price will plunge after the U.S. and China trade war reignite. I hope the price of the crypto may go up firmly, go up slowly. And have a look up our main discussion. And in the end of our live stream, if you have any question for discuss, please send it to us and we will discuss in multiple languages, in bi-language. You also can use your own language and I will explain, I will share to you. And let's continue with the 14. We will discuss about the will Bitcoin price plunge again as the US and China trade war reignites. Let me open the news about this this topic for you, so you can have a look about this. You think about this. It's very nice here. Yes, let's discover U.S. and trader trade here. And now I share the screen to all of you to see that where's the where's the share. Wait, the share here. Yes, the share. Please wait for a while. Now I share again my for you to have a look about the browser. Yes, that's why some browser. Yeah, this here. Yes, let's have this news about 54 minutes ago on the call Telegraph, where Bitcoin price plunged again as the U.S.-China trade war ignites. Yes, Bitcoin price plunged 31% last time. Last time is plunged 31%. That's why a lot of people feel lost when they see the price of the Bitcoin's price plunge. Yes. And now we all can watch together about the news. And the trade war between the U.S. And China began in the January 2018. That's why yeah, that's why the Bitcoin price plunged 31%, dropped to the 6,000. Now the U.S. and China are on the verge to reignite. This means the trade war will be happen again. Now, as I see in the battle between the U.S. president, uh, he said that doesn't feel the same to me. Yeah, from the coin market cap and from the other news source, and as I see on as we see on the news source here, they say the data provides by a blockchain analyst firm. Chain analysts highlight the Chinese Tether demand with over 16 billion received by the exchange rate. Yes, the Tether, people can see the Tether is one of the stable coin, and we can know as with one Tether USDT equal one USD, and then all the Tether similar with all the USD nowadays. Yet now if you go to any exchange trading, you can use the USDT to buy any crypto, vice versa. Yeah. And now we will see this another CEO of the Sino Global Capital. He wrote that the English look like China's story. Huawei and OKX get some level of approved. Binance and international exchange mostly eyes out. Small casino exchange like MXC and BK gets settled to chase offshore. This news say that because of the trade war, all the exchange need to run out of the U.S. And you all can see the bigger price charts here from the trading views. The trading view, we can see that the price at this point now the price 9,793. I hope in the near future the price will go up. So let's see how the price let's see how the price will be better. Okay, next let's move on to the next topic, to the next point, to the next main point. The fourth thing to watch for the BTC price. Yes, fourth thing to watch for the BTC price. Um, we 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 know the BTC price this day is go up and go down. It's look like go sideways. Go sideways, yeah, it's look go sideways, and it's hard to predict the price of the crypto this day. Then have a look at the article. Okay, I turn on with the last bar for us to have a look. And this news is from yesterday. As the Federal Reserve admit to flooding the market with the cash, we all can see the news about the stimulus bill markets to the U.S. and Bitcoin is about having position from the 9,500. Yeah, in the Bitcoin BTC status of the second week of four halving circle linking to 9,500. But what factors are weighing on the largest cryptocurrency this week? Fundamental adapt to halving. The start of the news week has seen the Bitcoin fall back from closer to 10,000. Yeah, from 10,000. Uh, some of the others we expect it will break the peak at 10,000 and go further. However, it's on way to zigzag from 9,500 to 10,000. Yeah, we also don't know why. And now a new future gap appear. Yeah, new futures gaps appears. It's from the CME Bitcoin futures, and we will discuss about the market price, the market cap of the Bitcoin, and Fed reconfirm money printing activity. Yes, we bring it digitally. You all can see that later we will go to the next topic about the printing in cash of the Bitcoin of the fiat up from the Federal Reserve in US. Yeah. And we all can see here this when some of the chart is about the macro access return to 2020. Yes, it's when the next the last point. Okay, let's move on to the next topic about the Fed change. Fed change. Fed chairs, we have the ability to create the money digitally. What do you think about this? How do you think about this? We have the ability to create the money digitally. Yeah, this news is yesterday. Okay, let's see. Let's have a look. Let's have a look about the how US flood the market with cash. We all can see here. Let's see the Fed Chairman Jerome Powell said the bank have flooded the economy with money and would continue lending program for as long as they are needed. The chairman of the Federal Reserve is said like that, and he also add more additional physical bill. I also highlight here. As a bank center, we have ability to raise money digital, and we do that to buying treasury bills or bonds for the other government guaranteed securities, and that's actually increase the money supplies. We also print actual currency and we distribute that through the Federal Reserve Bank. When we ask about this, what do you think about this? It means it's provide the needs for Bitcoin, right? And some of the people say about something about the BTC Bitcoin. We bring it digitally. The we Here is have five people voting on change to the monetary policy within the Federal Reserve during a FOMC meeting. 5 out of 330 million. Yeah, it's time to change the U.S. monetary policy much harder with Bitcoin. This is the twist from multi-bands. Multi-band. Let's have a look. Let's see what's happened in the twister here. What does it say? And we can see the twist from her twist. Um, and we can discuss. We see who is from Blockfolio. This is some of the video of the about. He also say yeah. We all can know the headline. He's very famous. He's famous. And from the twister, he said Bitcoin can fix this. Yes, that's right. It's gonna be bad. And yeah, it's and now we all can go to the next point. Next point is crypto not as a Celtic as disappear. Crypto are not as a Celtic as disappear. What do you think about this? Hmm. I this positive news is encourage people. It's less people go further to invest in the Bitcoin, and that's one of this is the report from the Andreessen Horowitz report say that crypto is not as chaotic as it appears, and let's go to have a look at this. Now I make the screen better, so we will discuss about this. We will have a look about this, and let's look together about some of the discussion, some of the sharing from the newspaper, from the crypto news, and we will have a look. We will discuss. What do you think about this? Yeah. Okay. Let's move. Um. Okay. This from the report, it said that crypto not as counted as a real top venture capital firm Andreessen Horowitz looked at four key metrics for the three circles of the cryptocurrency showing consistent growth. Venture capital firms think that the past growth of the social media developed rise and startup among the cryptocurrency could mean a crypto circle favorable to the investor in the future. The US-based company released a report on the May 15th, analyzing cryptocurrency during the trade cycle peaking in 2010, yeah, 2013 and 2017. Yeah, this based on the price when I see based on the 2010, 2013, 2013, 2017, that's the circle of the pricing, and most of as rising the price of the cryptocurrency will go up. So we will follow what did they say and what the other from the other social media say that they say that the social media develop and startup activity, the price of the BTC go up, even though crypto cycle look chaotic. Over the long term, they generate steady growth of the new ideas, code, projects, and startup, the fundamental drivers of software innovation. Yes, technologies and entrepreneurs will continue to push crypto forward in the coming years. We are excited to see what they build. Yes, what they build. You all can see last 2 years we have a lot of things happen, and we also discussed that part of the new innovation from previous live stream, from previous video. And I will not discuss more about what is the AI and what's the new technology nowadays. And we just go through about this. And now we continue with the last part is about the crypto analytic price. How is the price today? Yes, as we all can see that the price nowadays is about 2,700, right? And we will have a look up the price in detail, and we will see what is the when to jump in the market and when to jump out the market. Okay, um, okay, the price here. So let me turn on price. Um, let's see. From because we use the trading views from the trading view. There's so many information about the Bitcoin price, and now it's about 9,762, and I will add some indicator. Yeah, okay. Never mind. So let's carry on with this. So I show you about this, and we all can have a look about what's the price and how we can try to estimate the price. And I choose the auto Fibonacci retracement. This one will estimate the range of the price. Yes, we all can see here is the topic is 10,000 $10,050. $10,050 is a pick on the May 7th, and current price $9,702 on the big tracks. Most of the exchange the price will be similar, and just now we use the auto Fibonacci retracement, and we can evaluate the price should in the middle from 9,337 to $10,050. Yes, um, we can estimate and we know if when to buy and when to sell, and all the decision is depend on you. And now all the price like this, and if we go out to the trading view, we can see some uh, in yeah, inside here it has a indicator. Later I also need to try to change some of my trading order, because I have left some order on the exchange during the discussion. The just now I think the price is it may go sideways. Sideways, not it's not go higher or go deep, because we not only have the positive but also have the negative news. Yeah, the positive and negative news I also share to all of you in the main point discussion. And now we go to the next one is is the live chat. Yeah, let's see if anyone live chat. Now we see there's no one to join our live chat. Okay, never mind. Let's carry on with the news, with something news, something. Okay, okay. There are so many people join our live chat, and let me say hello to everyone. Hello to. Okay, let me from beginning. Let me. If you have any question, please let me know, and we will try to discuss and try to share with us. And I now most of the people, yeah. Okay, I think I will end the live stream from the other platform. But I keep the live